the pigs swim by, and we're all asway on the Cornish Pride. And if the tractors are slow, so we don't bother with our boat, and we're all aboard for this Cornish ride. So we'll haul away for the Cornish Pride, keep our backs up strong, and the future in our sights. And we'll haul away for the Cornish Pride, and we'll learn from our rights and wrong. Here the eggs are laid by cows, and we throw them at the crowds, and we're all asway on the Cornish tide. And we laugh at all we like, cause we're living a sweet life, and we're all aboard for this Cornish ride. So haul away for the Cornish Pride, keep our backs up strong, and the future in our sights. And we'll haul away for the Cornish Pride, and we'll learn from our right and wrong. In Kirkula, where they're coddling with a lamb, and we're all asway on the Cornish tide. We'll be fishing with our plough, pulling spots out from the clouds, and we're all aboard for this Cornish ride. So all away for the Cornish Pride, keep our backs up strong, and the future in our sights. And we'll haul away for the Cornish Pride, and we'll learn from our right and wrong. There's a place in the town where the guinea fowl growl, and we're all asway on the Cornish tide. And the frisking machine, they never had a clean, and we're all aboard for this Cornish ride. Haul away for the Cornish Pride, keep our backs up strong, and the future in our sights. And we'll haul away for the Cornish Pride, and we'll learn from our right and wrong. And we'll haul away for the Cornish Pride, keep our backs up strong, and the future in our sights.